Hello, this is Paul, F.E.W Waterproofing. Another case study for you here. Wellington Road Mulgrave, working for a builder. Builder's name's Rob Morgan of Rob Morgan Constructions. Top builder, knows what he's doing, and we do a number of jobs for him. This is a difficult job because our access was limited to the fact that we had to get everything off and on by crane. We had to pull up a ballast on this one with the bitumen base. So we broke it all up, smashed it into pieces, and then all the light stuff was vacuumed off with a large vacuum truck. We then set about, once we got it all cleaned up, with all the rubble removed, there's our vacuum truck there. We did all the manual labour of actually pulling up all the bitumen layers by scraping and removing and bagging it, which was then later craned off in large lift bags. Once we were done with the prep, the screeders moved in. They've got a large setup, a big crew, and got this job done in 2 or 3 days. And that's a primer going down first, and then that's the Speed Pro guys working, really hard workers, these guys, and got stuck into it. Did a terrific job for us. Highly recommended as well. So with that, we set all the levels up between us, and then they worked to that. Did a magnificent job. My team actually said it was probably one of the best screeds they've ever seen on a rooftop. So that's saying something. There's a lot of collective, experience amongst my team. One of the best ones I've seen, by the way. It was all good. Once the screed was down, we let it cure out. Then we proceeded to put our liquid rubber coatings down. Put 2 or 3 coats of that down, and then we went in with our promethane top coat system. That also ended up with about 3 coats of that down as well. All detailing and extra tether points put in, and we had to come back after the tether points were put in and do some touch-ups and get a finished job and tidy up the whole place, and everybody's pretty happy with that one. So if you've got a similar job, please give us a call on 8812 29180 in Melbourne. Otherwise, hit the website waterproofingfew.com.au. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for listening, and bye.